Big news, creators! YouTube has just released a brand new feature called Invite Collaborators. In this video, I'm going to explain everything you need to know. How it works, how to invite or accept invites, how to manage collaborations, and what it means for your channel's revenue, growth, and analytics. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use this tool to grow your channel. What is it? Let's start with the basics. YouTube now lets you invite up to 5 creators to be added as collaborators on a video. This works for long-form videos, shorts, and archive live streams, but not active live streams. Once a collaborator accepts, their channel name and a subscribe button will appear on your video, visible on desktop, mobile, and even TV. The main channel, the one that uploads the video, remains the owner. That means the uploader keeps all editing rights, all revenue, all views, and all watch time. So, collaborators get exposure, and the video owner keeps ownership. This feature is designed to grow your audience by reaching both your subscribers and your collaborator subscribers. YouTube's algorithm will recommend the collab video across all audiences involved. Here's how you send an invite. Go to YouTube Studio and click Create, Upload Videos. Select your video file. In the Details tab, scroll down and click Show More. Under Collaboration, click Invite a Collaborator. You can search for a channel directly. Copy and share a unique invite link. Once the invite is accepted, the collaborator's name and subscribe button will appear on your video.
Now, what happens when you get invited?
You'll see a notification or pop-up with the video preview. You can click Accept or Decline. If you accept, the video will show under the Collaborations tab in your YouTube Studio. On your channel's Home tab, there may also be a section showcasing collaborations, so your viewers know you're featured in that video. After a collaboration is active, the video owner can see all invited collaborators and manage them in YouTube Studio. Collaborators can also choose to withdraw. If they withdraw, their name is removed from the video and it no longer appears on their channel. So both sides have some control, but the owner always keeps full rights. This part is really important. Only the video owner earns ad revenue, views, and watch time. Collaborators do not get revenue or watch time credit. However, collaborators can be given the option to view analytics, but not revenue data. This means it's a growth and discovery tool, not a revenue sharing tool. How it looks to viewers. When the video goes live, in the video details, viewers see both channel names. There's a subscribe button for each collaborator. If viewers tap the collaborator badge, they'll see a list of all channels featured. This makes it super easy for your collaborators' audience to discover you, and for your audience to discover them. Paid promotions note. If your video contains a paid promotion, like a sponsorship or product placement, you need to mark it in YouTube Studio. If you connect your collaborator's Google Ads account, they can also run ads using your video. In those cases, YouTube will display both your name and the sponsor's name, along with subscribe buttons. So, that's everything you need to know about YouTube's new Invite Collaborators feature. You can invite up to 5 creators. You keep full ownership and revenue. It's all about audience growth and discovery, and it makes collaborations official and professional looking on your videos. I'm really excited about this feature because it makes collaborations so much easier and way more rewarding. Will you be using this tool on your channel? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Also, I'm personally opening up to collaborations too. If you'd like to collab with me, just send me an email and we can make it happen. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with another creator who needs to know about this update.